In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Clickup for reporting. Whether you're new to Clickup or you're looking to enhance your organizational skills, this guide will walk you through the steps you need to follow to set up and customize reporting within Clickup. Let's start by navigating to the Clickup homepage. Once you arrive at Clickup's site, you'll see an option to log in. Clicking this will direct you to the login page where you can choose the sign in with Google option. This is particularly convenient if you're already logged into your Google account, as it streamlines the process without needing to remember yet another password. After signing in, you'll be prompted to select your Google account. Choose the account associated with your Clickup workspace. With a few clicks, you're seamlessly logged in and ready to begin using Clickup. Once inside your Clickup workspace, locate the three dots icon. Clicking this icon will give you access to additional options. From the drop-down menu, select Templates. This is the hub for setting up your reporting structure. Within the Templates section, click on Browse Templates. This will open up a wide array of pre-made templates that you can use to save time and ensure consistency in your reporting. In the search bar, type reporting to narrow down the available choices to templates specifically designed for reporting. Once you find a template that fits your needs, click on Quick Use to start working with it immediately. This option allows you to quickly implement a template into your workspace without additional setup time. After your template has been added, click on the three dots that appear on the template. A menu will appear with various customization options. Selecting Rename will allow you to personalize the template title, giving it a name that aligns with your project or organization goals, an important step for keeping everything organized and recognizable. Next, navigate to the reporting list on your newly created template. This is where you'll spend most of your time managing your tasks and tracking progress. Here, you're able to edit existing tasks to reflect the specific needs and deadlines of your project. And if you need to add more items to the list, simply click on Add Task to include new tasks as they arise. This flexibility ensures that your reporting is always up to date and accurately reflects the current state of your projects. By following these steps, you'll efficiently set up a robust reporting framework within Clickup. This setup enables you to keep track of ongoing projects and streamline your workflow, ensuring that you can focus on the tasks that truly matter. So, dive in, customize your reports, and make Clickup work best for you. Remember, with Clickup, your reporting can be as dynamic and adaptable as your projects require.